Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhuji. Yes, Prabhuji.
Yeah. So
Yes.
basically, today we'll be discussing about these 9 verses, but in the next class, whenever we are going to have, that time we'll be discussing about the manifestation of Lord Brahma and other subsequent events, what all happened. So if all of us remember, for last couple of months, we were discussing from third canto. Initially, in couple of months, we discussed from initial 4 chapters, where being requested by Vidura, Uddhava remembered and narrated all the wonderful pastimes of Lord Krishna that all happened in Gokul, Vrindavan, Nandagaon, Madura, Dwaraka, Astinapur, and eventually, finally, the departure pastimes of the Yadus and Lord Krishna that have taken place in Prabhas Kshetra. So, having met Lord Krishna just before his departure in Prabhas Kshetra, having heard from Lord Krishna about the transcendental situation of Lord Krishna while performing pastimes, after stopping performing his pastimes also, having heard all those things, being requested by Lord Krishna, now Uddhava is on his way to Badrikashram in order to deliver the message given by Lord Krishna to the sages of Badrikashram. As he was traveling to Badrikashram, he happened to visit Vrindavan, the bank of Ganga, sorry, bank of Yamuna. And simultaneously on the other side, Vidura, who was on his pilgrimage, also happened to come to Prabhas, where he heard about the fratricidal war that took place between all the Yadus, their departure, and the departure of Balramji and Lord Krishna. So, hearing this, Vidura could not accept it. How could this happen? So, he was not in a position to accept it, but eventually understood that, I mean, whatever it may be, if it has happened. For the last 35 years, Vidura was traveling to all the different holy places. So he made a plan to visit all the holy places. Then he want to visit Dwaraka to have the audience of Lord Krishna. But before that could happen, Lord Krishna already departed from this world. So now, and he also heard that Dwaraka also submerged in the ocean. So there is no way that he can go to Dwaraka anymore now. So before resuming back his actual services as Yamaraj in Yamalok, Vidura wanted to have darshan of the pastime places in Vrindavan. So with that intention, he traveled to Vrindavan immediately. So when Vidura came to Vrindavan, at the same time Uddhava also came to Vrindavan. So Vidura met Uddhava in Vrindavan on the bank of Yamuna and approached him, embraced him, and then he started inquiring about the welfare of Lord Krishna, welfare of Lord Balram, welfare of all the Yadus, Mother Devaki, and Vasudev, etc. etc. So then Uddhava, after informing that Lord Krishna departed, Yadus also departed, there is nothing to speak about the Yadus. Then he remembered all the pastimes, and then he told that now I am on my way to Badrikashram. Lord Krishna told me to go there. So they spoke for the whole night. Next morning, Uddhava went to Badrikashram, and Vidura spent couple of days there, visiting all the pastime places of Lord Krishna. Then, when he requested Uddhava to speak what Lord Krishna spoke to him, so Uddhava said, if at all you want to understand the transcendental position of Lord Krishna, may you please approach Maitreya Muni. He was also present along with me when Lord Krishna was speaking to me. He can explain to you. Currently, I have a important task to perform. So he immediately left from that place. So following the suggestion of Uddhava, Vidura traveled to Haridwar. That is where he met Maitreya Muni. He offered his obeisances to Maitreya. Maitreya received him. Then Vidura started inquiring from Maitreya. Vidura thought that let me not ask what exactly Lord Krishna spoke to Maitreya or Maitreya and Uddhava. Instead, let me ask general questions. If Maitreya willing to tell, willing to share what Lord Krishna spoke to him, let him speak on his own without being asked. So with that intention, Vidura actually poses a pertinent question, very special question. He wanted to know why the people of this world are undergoing through constant misery. Sukaya karmani karoti loko नतैस्तुकं वान यद् उपारमम्ब विन्देत भूया ततएव दुःखं यदत्र युक्तं भगवान वदेन्न. Yadatra yuktam Bhagavan vadenna. My dear Bhagavan, here Bhagavan means Maitreya embodies the knowledge potency of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. The Supreme Lord Bhagavan has 6 potencies, out of which knowledge is one of the potency that is personally embodied by Maitreya Rishi. So Maitreya Rishi is knowledge personified. So from that point of view, he is addressing him as Bhagavan. So you know the reason. Hare Krishna. Why people of this world are perpetually in misery. So they are in misery. In order to mitigate the misery and to get more happiness, people are undertaking so many different variety of activities. Sukaya karmani karoti loko. Natai sukam. After executing so many activities, they are not getting the happiness which they are expecting, which they were anticipating. Natai sukam. Va anyad. Okay, it's fine. They are not getting happiness. At least they should have removed their past miseries. Va anyad. That is also not happening. So if a person logically thinks, then he is already in misery. In order to alleviate that misery and to get happiness, he started performing some activities. So if he does not get more happiness, if he does not alleviate that existing misery, then he should give up the activity. So Vidura says that na uparamamba. They are not even giving up the performance of activities. Instead, they are thinking that let me perform some other activity to get removal of misery and happiness. Vindeta bhuya tatayeva dukkam. But that activity actually also giving them misery only. So like that, people are being put constant misery. Not only in this life, after the end of this life, they'll be going to hell for the as a reaction of their activities, and then eventually they'll be taking birth in lower species or here and there to undergo more miseries. So my dear Maitreya Rishi, you know the reason for their misery, and you also know the remedy for their misery. Yadatra yuktam Bhagavan vadenna. You are as good as Bhagavan in the subject matter. You know everything. So may you please tell me the reason, and may you please tell me the remedy. So for which Maitreya told that, no, why are you asking? You are also a great learned person. You know everything. So Vidura says that whatever I know is this much only. Janasya Krishnad Vimukasya Daivad Adharma Shilasya Sudukkitasya Anugrahayena Charanti Nunam Bhutani Bhavyani Janardanasya. So according to me,